In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to market Notion templates. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your existing strategies, I'll guide you through a step-by-step process to set up your presence on the Notion marketplace, so you can showcase your templates to a broader audience. Let's dive right in. First, we'll head over to your connected workspace in Notion. This is essentially the command center for all your wiki, docs, and project management activities in the app. It's important to have your workspace organized because that's where your templates will initially be designed and managed. Once you're in your connected workspace, the next thing you need to do is log in. If you're not already logged in, locate the login button on the Notion homepage and enter your credentials. This will grant you full access to all the features you'll need to start marketing your templates effectively. After logging in, navigate to your Notion home. This serves as the central hub for all your projects and templates. Familiarize yourself with the layout and available options so you can easily manage your templates from this core area of the platform. Next, you'll need to visit the Templates section, which can be found in the Notion Marketplace. This is where users come to discover new templates and tools to integrate into their own workspaces. Having your template listed here is crucial for visibility. Browse through the marketplace to get a sense of what kind of templates are already available, and note any trends or popular categories. With an understanding of the marketplace dynamics, click on My Profile to access your personal settings and information. This area allows you to manage your marketplace presence and can be a gateway to more advanced settings and options related to your templates. To commence your journey as a creator, select the Become a Creator option from your profile settings. By doing so, you're officially ready to start offering your templates to a wider audience. Becoming a creator means you can not only share your designs, but also potentially monetize them if you choose to offer paid options. Finally, don't forget to fill out your creator profile thoroughly. Your profile acts as your public face on the marketplace, so make sure it accurately represents you and the kind of templates you are creating. Include key information like a professional bio, a photo, and a brief overview of what your templates are all about. This can help potential users connect with you and understand the value your templates bring. And that's it. By following these steps, you're well on your way to successfully marketing your Notion templates. Remember, the key is in presentation and understanding your audience's needs. Thank you for watching, and happy templating!